See, as always we are told while opening the branches, like we are into non-surgical hair fixing. So we don't give any treatment as such here. We don't give any medicines or oil or anything for hair growth. It is completely non-surgical. There is no side effect. So people who don't know about heads, this is for them. This is side effect free, no medicine, no oil, nothing. You just have to
No sir.
no surgery, no transplant, nothing. So you just have to walk into our office. We'll explain you the things. Like we are doing hair extensions also. So you are always welcome. Like those who are in the fear of getting hair lost, like you can consult us. We are always open for you. We have like got a very good result throughout India, like pan India, wherever we are open. People are like welcoming heads. So we hope again we will be doing good in Tamil Nadu. This is the third center. One was in Chennai and another one in Coimbatore we have. This is in Hosur. Hosur, if I want to tell about Hosur, Hosur was the industrial area mainly. So lot of people come and go visit Hosur. So we have very potential market here in Hosur. So Kishore can also explain like how do you feel about Hosur?
Hosur is a best place. Hosur is the main market. And nearby Electronic City and Hosur towards Krishnagiri. This is the center. Main thing traffic, easy accessibility. Bus facilities and road transport also easy and reach. So in the exact non-surgical. Consulting is free of charge. We don't charge anything for the consulting. So you can inquiry the queries hair loss, so fixing panna, so other query clear panna. Decide panna. So it's 100% non-surgical. No surgery, medicine, tablets, just external fixing. So your look 2 hours change. 4-5 years on the hair loss, the inferiority complex, confidence, parties, meetings attend. You confidence boost. Hairstyle, confidence over meeting address, look and appearance is important. So, complete rework with a proper look.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So, what exactly you expect from Hosur market?
Hosur market, like you said, Bangalore crowd expect panla. Tamil Nadu the side like the Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri, and the side like the easy approach panna. So industrial area like people from all over Tamil Nadu come and stay near Hosur. Even people in the Electronic City side இப்போ Hosurல permanent settle ஆகுறாங்க. So அவங்களுக்கு இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் இந்த branch. Plus Sarjapur Road, all sides of the Bangalore outer இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு Tamil Nadu side இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு easier. We expect like good business here.
So on the day of inauguration, any offers, anything you put across?
Definitely people can approach us in the first 1 week. We are giving good offer for patches as well as extensions for existing as well as the new customers, all are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.